How to easily put a decorated cake in a cake design box. Sometimes you want to transport a cake and present it professionally, or you just need to transport it safely. It's so easy to do, but sometimes the steps that seem obvious are not easy to explain. Here's how to do it. Hi, I'm Claudia from cake4Three. You want to transport your cake safely. For this reason, I occasionally buy cake design boxes that I reuse if they haven't gotten dirty during transport. Cake design boxes are usually assembled with interlocking corners. Some have a front that doesn't fit with tabs but is blocked by the lid, like this one. This, for example, is my remake of the pavlova from the bake-off technical test. As you can see, it has tabs to fit sideways once the cake is placed inside. Likewise, the front is disassembled to remove the cake. Now let's put my cake inside the box. That's it, ready for transport.